What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name's D the Cyberman. I make videos about tech, finance, and my software engineering journey. In today's video, we're going to be discussing reasons why the computer science major is hard. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications. I post videos twice a week. So if you guys like this video or if it gave you a different perspective on the things, go ahead and drop a like. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let me just tell you guys, computer science is a hard major. I can do it, you guys surely can. So it really just matters about how hard you work and if you're focused and disciplined. First reason why computer science is a hard major is just the amount of math classes that you have to take. So let's go ahead and pull up the computer science major map and just see what type of math classes you guys have to take. It's also different for different type of universities, but these are kind of the most basic math classes that you should find at almost any computer science major, any college that you go to. First thing you have to take is Calculus 1, Calculus 2, you have to take discrete mathematics, you have to take antiderivative calculus, you have to take applied linear algebra. So another thing you have to take into account is that during computer science degree, while you're taking all these programming classes, about 90 to 100% of all the programming classes, you have to either do calculations, do something with math, algorithm classes. In all these algorithm classes and all these computer science classes, the majority of them are gonna have some sort of math in it. I think you guys heard me say this before if you follow my last videos that I posted. A computer science degree is basically a math degree with some science classes and some physics classes. If you guys aren't good at math, then yeah, computer science is gonna be extremely difficult. All right, so the next point I wanted to make about the computer science degree is the intense workload that comes with the computer science. Yeah, I don't know how much time is it gonna say computer science? My bad, guys. Yeah, the intense workload that comes with the degree. So basically in all your classes, you normally take 12 to 15 credit hours per semester. That's kind of the average full-time student. I actually know some people who took like 21 credits, but they ended up failing a lot of their classes. So I wouldn't recommend that, but anyhow, yeah, my first semester at college was like a complete smack in the face because in high school, let me give you guys a little backstory. In high school, I was super bad. I didn't focus in school at all. I think I actually had like a 1.8 GPA in high school. I barely passed high school. High school, hanging out with friends, not studying, staying out late, stuff like that. I'm sorry to tell you guys, if you guys want to get a computer science degree, you can do that if you're like, a unicorn or like top 1% student. But the majority, if you guys are like me, you're gonna have to study a lot. And that's one thing that I didn't take account for when I got to college is the amount of time that it takes to study for these exams. I actually posted a video on my YouTube not too long ago, and it was just like it was literally a 5-hour study session. I had finals coming up. To tell you guys the truth, I spend about 8 hours a day just studying, just because I actually want to get good grades. Sorry guys, I know that was kind of a rant, but basically all I'm trying to say is that computer science degree, you take a lot of classes and they're not easy classes, and it's an intense workload for sure. So that's something you have to keep in mind, and I think that's another reason why computer science degree is so hard. It's not like other degrees where you can just kind of coast. You actually have to put the work in. You actually have to study and really understand things. All right, off to the next point, and this is the last point I wanted to make, is that a computer science degree, you can't really memorize things. A computer science degree is basically a problem-solving degree, and I think that that's what really separates a mediocre student from, let's say, a great student, is that you actually know how to solve problems. Yes, you have to memorize the fundamental things of computer science and all of that. Yes, you do. But at the same time, you have to take those fundamentals and really understand how to problem solve and solve complex problems using those fundamentals that you learn. And a lot of people that I've seen and went to school with, they try to just memorize things instead of truly learning and understanding things, which in the long run will hold you back. Yes, it's a lot of work up front to actually understand things instead of memorizing them. You want to truly get the most out of the degree, I suggest that you guys actually learn the things instead of trying to memorize them. And honestly, this helps you in not even in just the industry, but anywhere in life. If you actually know how to problem solve, that's gonna get you so much more further in life or whatever career that you guys do compared to just memorizing. And especially when it comes to exams, like homeworks are a different story, but when it comes to exams, that you have to look at a problem, identify what do you need to solve in the problem, go through and work through the problem instead of memorizing a process, for example. I really appreciate you guys if you got this far into the video. These are all the reasons why I think computer science is a hard degree. And like I said, it's for sure doable. It's just that you have to for sure put the work in. You can't just go in and coast thinking it's an easy degree. And definitely don't be like me and think it's high school and get a 1.8 GPA. But all right guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Like I said, if this video gave you a different perspective onto things, I really appreciate you if you dropped a like. It'll help a lot for this channel. Also, I drop videos 1 to 2 times per week, so if you guys want to subscribe and join me on my journey, I'd much appreciate that. All right guys, and until next time.